Hello, this is Alvin Bailey, and welcome to another of my Money Talks. Today I'm going to talk about some of the simple habits that you can emulate from people who are successful in money and in life. The very first thing is that most people who are successful are avid readers. They are constantly learning on how to improve themselves both intellectually, spiritually, and financially. They may not know much about what's going on in the television world or who won the flower on The Bachelorette, but they will probably know pretty well what their balance sheet looks like and how to better run their business and manage their relationships. The second thing is they are very good at delaying gratification. They understand that to accomplish the really big goals in life, they need to not spend everything today. So whether they're saving for retirement or a second home or the world cruise, they will save up for those things over a longer period of time and not spend all of their money today. And that delaying gratification allows them to have the much greater rewards later on in life. The third thing is they will avoid debt. They won't buy things that are going to depreciate in value by using a credit card or borrowing money from the furniture company at 90 days, same as cash. They will build up the savings to buy these things with cash itself. And they know that if they do have to borrow money, it is for purchase something that is going to grow in value over time. They might buy a business, they might buy a house, but they will always decide, am I going to be able to earn more on the money that I am making than I would be paying in interest? Fourth, they have a plan. Some people might call it a budget, but it really is as simple as I have a plan that tells me how much money is coming in and how much money is going out, and have I left myself some margin of error, some way to plan for my future, some way to plan for that rainy day that we know is going to come, but it will also be, have I made a plan to enjoy life with vacations and presents at Christmas? But they've planned ahead using a budget to know how much money it's going to take. Finally, and often overlooked, successful people give. They give of their time or they give of their money. Whether donating to their church or to charity, they know that it's important to share what they've achieved with others. We don't live in a vacuum. And the other thing about that is if I'm so tight-fisted that I can't let any of my money get away, my fists are closed and I can't really take any more money in. But if I'm giving away, my hands are open, and that allows money to come back to me as well. So you give for your own personal satisfaction, but when your hands are open to give, they are also open to receive. This is Alvin Bailey. Thanks for listening.